Have you tried upgrading your older computer to Windows 11 only to be told it's not supported? Maybe your system doesn't have TPM 2.0, or maybe the processor is just too old according to Microsoft's list. If that's the case, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware without using any third-party apps or registry hacks. Before we jump in, just a quick heads up. Installing Windows 11 on unsupported machines might mean your system won't get future updates. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need is the official Windows 11 ISO file. Go to Microsoft's website and look for the section where it says Download Windows 11 Disk Image. From the drop-down menu, choose Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO and hit the download button. Once that's done, select your language and region. For example, if you're in the US, choose English, United States, then click Confirm. After that, choose the 64-bit version to start the download. When the download finishes, go to the folder where the ISO file was saved. Usually, it'll be in your Downloads folder. Right-click on the file and choose the option that says Mount. This will open it like a virtual DVD. Now take note of the drive letter assigned to it. For example, on my system, it shows up as drive G. Yours might be different, like D or F. Just remember that letter because we'll need it in a second. Next, we're going to use the command prompt to start the setup in a special way. Go to your Start menu, type CMD, and then right-click it and select Run as Administrator. If you get a pop-up asking for permission, just click Yes. Once the command prompt is open, type the letter of your mounted ISO drive followed by a colon. So if your ISO is on drive G, type G:, and hit Enter. Now type this command exactly as I say it. setup.exe, /product, /server, /compact, /ignore warning, /migrated rivers, /all. What this command does is it launches the installer, but with a special flag that skips some of the hardware checks. Don't worry if the installer says Windows Server. That's just part of the trick. It will still install Windows 11 as normal. Click Next, agree to the license terms, and continue with the upgrade. It should begin copying files and go through the full installation process. Depending on your system, this could take 20 to 40 minutes. Once it's done, you'll boot into Windows 11, even on unsupported hardware. Check your system settings and you should see the latest version installed. That's it. If this helped you get Windows 11 running on your older PC, consider subscribing for more guides like this. Thanks for watching.